Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Homemade Beauty, where we show you some amazing homemade remedies for your hair and skin concerns made from ingredients that you can easily find in your kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to get rid of those dreadful tan lines with 3 body scrubs that you can easily make at home. Hope you guys like this video. Tune in next week for another episode of Homemade Beauty, and you can drop in your questions in the comment section below. Also, while you're at it, check out the POPxo shop because we have amazing stuff out there. We have backpacks, notebooks, pouches and a lot more. Click on the link in the description box below to check that out. And for any more makeup, hair care, skincare tips, make sure you subscribe to POPxo Daily.